Okay, so welcome to the next lesson from 3ds Max with making a car drivable with 3ds Max and CryEngine. So now we have the car here. We have exported this car to the engine. So the thing we need is now. First thing is we are going to our engine, so CryEngine, game SDK, and now we are going to scripts. So we are going to entity and going to vehicles and implementation XML file. Now we have a Humvee file here. So just make it copy, Control C, and just push Control V, it's copy. So now we are just going to rename it with Camero. Here we go. We have Camero file here. So now we make sure you have installed Notepad C++. Oops, Notepad++. So we are going to just open the file with Notepad++. Just open this with Notepad++, and here we go. Now we have the script here. So we are going to just do is Control F and replace. So here we go, right here HMWV. So actually it's not so perfect name, so we are going to up and HMMV. Another thing is HMMV. Here is go HMMWV. So we are replacing it with Camero and push replace all. So replace our 33 occurrence were replaced. So now the other thing is we are going to search for the whole and making it body. Replace all. So now it's 40 occurrence were replaced. Now we have the perfect see its XML file is more modded. Okay, now just close it. Now the thing we have to do is find for the helper. Okay, we have the helpers here. What actually helpers we need in our car positions? So because of our car, we are going to do this and selecting the whole camera and making it unlink, making the body, selecting the proxy only, and pushing the detach for once, and it's body proxy. Push OK. Now just go to select the body and height selection. Now let's make the this thing and make height selection. Okay, we have a body here. So now just select all of the interior, including seats, gearbox, and everything. Okay. Alright. So here we go. Everything is selected now. So we are going to just assign the material with 5. Oops, I think 4. Yes, light black is applied on this. Okay, so now the thing we are going to do is we're going to top view and just dragging the dummy to here, right at the place of this one. So we are going to just scale it here and renaming it passenger 01, enter, pose. So here we go. Actually because of this is driver seat, so we are porting it right here and make sure it's x-axis with 142 and from here 0.1. Okay, here we go. So we are just copying it to the other side and make it copy and make sure it's passenger 0 to enter position and just put OK. Now here we go, we are going to 0 point 2, oops, maybe it's 1 point something. Let's see its position. So 0.142. So now make it 1.42. Everything is fine now. Now because of our car as the seats only two, maybe only two, but let's see other thing. Okay, we have added these things. Now the thing is that we are going to left view and going to dummy again and adding the dummy to the seat position right at here and making it passenger 01 seat pose. Okay, now this is it. Just make it a little bit down and close the seat. Now just make it top view, center it to the seat. Okay, now just move again into the other seat. Here we go, and make it passenger 02 seat position and push OK. Now the other thing is we need is to create again dummy. Here we go, and putting it down like here, and here we go. Now here is go, push it driver, I pose. Okay, we are going to set up it right center in the seat position dummy. Okay, now we have set up, everything is fine. So we are going to now script. Here we go, the driver I position. So we are going to just copy it and going to 3ds max and going to the helper of driver I position. Here we go, pasting it, it's same, actually it's same. So we are skipped again and passenger 01 enter position, passenger 02 enter position, and passenger 03 enter position, and 4 enter position. So same thing is that we have created the other helpers. Alright, everything is done. So we are going to just save this XML file. Okay, we have everything is ready up. So now we are going to unhide all selection. Okay, now we are going to body again, pushing the attach and attach it again as same thing. Now the thing is that we are going to our graph editor and saved camera. Now we are going to select these all things including helpers and attaching them to body and attaching the body to camera. It's perfect. Now save the file again and go to here and pushing camera and CGF export. So it's exported successfully. It's okay. So now the thing we need is we are going to export it with CGF file animated. So just export node and it's exported successfully. Okay, we are going to open it again. So what thing actually we are need to check is control F dot CGA. Here we go. So make sure the location is the same with object vehicles camera.cga file destroy, because we doesn't make a file destroyed, so it's skip this, just skip this. So everything is okay. Now we are just going closing it and just making it save again. We are going to launch CryEngine sandbox. Okay, here we go. We are selecting the road to road label. Okay, actually it's the default error with my CGF files, so nothing wrong with this. Now you can see this, that inside the body is now fixed. It's fully black, and now the camera is looking so perfect. Okay, now we are going to entity and reload, going to vehicles, and here we go. We have the camera here. So just put the drag camera here. Let's see. We have the perfect camera here, even working tire textures and even everything. So we are going to enable AI physics. Let's see, it's enabled and it's perfect. Now we are going to pushing the game mode again. Alright, we are in game mode, and if we are going to go nearby its seat, driver seat position, and pushing the F button. So now the thing is, our driver position is so wrong. So push F1 for third person camera mode. Here we go. Our driver is seems like wrong thing, but if it's like to drive the car, driver's car is running perfectly, so perfectly. Alright, let's return back to the base. Okay, now just get lost from the car and exit from the here. Now the thing we need is go to its XML file, but we need, the thing is, game SDK, and here we go, animations, mannequin, and ADB. So we are just going to copy Humvee files. Actually, the select Humvee 5 files: Humvee anims, controllers, fragments, human anims, and tags. Just copy and push paste them. Here we go. So we are going to rename them Humvee. We are going to make it Camro. Make sure it's not a copy. Now the thing is again with Camro. Okay, Camro again. Okay, same thing again. Camro. This is the thing. Now the last thing is here, Camro. Make sure it's not copy. Okay, we are going to see and making it Camro here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 files. So we are going to just edit them, and now open this with Notepad C++. Now we are going to see the file animation mannequin adb tags.xml. So we are going to find an HMVB file. So we are going to just replace it with Camro, replace all, and to occur were replaced. So we can see the Camro.tags, and even everything is same perfect. So just save it and close. Now the other thing is Camro.def is actually edited. Now the Camro fragments. So actually this is already so perfect, so we don't need to edit. Now Camro.tags. Here we go. We have to find HMVB and just replace all with Camro, and just one occur replaced and save. Now just the thing we need is, now we are going to preview and making the HMVB preview, and copy, paste here, and rename to with camera.preview. So we are going to add it and Control F, find Humvee and replace with camera. So everything is perfect. Now just save all and close this and close this. Alright, everything is here. Okay, we are going to now file and try to reload the level for saving changes. Okay, everything is perfect now. We are going to switch, click on the game mode again and going to in the car again. Now you can see the car driver is perfectly inside the car. Now we are just the thing we have to add is the seat position.